Hey, what's happening, Silver Fox Nation? Hey, been real busy with a kitchen cabinet replacement, and we had some help from my wife's parents. And these are the old, believe it or not, these are from like 1950, and obviously they didn't look as bad as they do now because we ripped them out of the walls. But look at this, real wood, and they did like perfect notching for the little sections. And basically, it was a very long, I don't know, probably about 10 foot with this as the bottom racks, so like two compartments, and then on the top was, um, let's see here, on the top was basically like something that looked like this, but there was nothing nailed in here. And they had this face that would go here, and you would have these sliding doors. And anyways, most of the sliding doors were gone, and they painted them over so bad that you couldn't even put them in, put new doors in, and they look pretty ugly. And the only thing we could think of was putting like hinged face doors on it, and you would have to like lift it up, and it just seemed like too much of an ordeal. And so we ended up ripping them out. And look at that, guys, look at that. That's real wood there in a cabinet. Isn't that amazing? Hate to see them go. But yeah, I need to work on trimming these down and getting rid of them. Here is our old washing machine. It still works, so I might find somebody that will take it. Obviously, if you look at it this way, it doesn't look so bad. Might just need to clean this up from the dust. And then here's the finished product. Look at this. No contractors needed, just family and friends. And so it looks way better, way more modern. And if there's any family and friends watching, hey guys, thanks for your help. Took a lot of time, a lot of effort, but looks smoking. We didn't even have a microwave over the stove initially, so got to put handles on, hardware. But look at that. It almost looks like a brand new kitchen. So still working on it over the winter break here, but you can put these in yourself with a little bit of knowledge. It'll go to my father-in-law has experience doing this, and all this stuff came from Home Depot. I think that was on sale. The cabinets are from Home Depot. Oh, I didn't even show you this. And then these we've already put in, but I might as well show you in the granite. And then look, nice washing machine. It's a LG, I think. Got some keys there, and then I'm trying to figure out what I can show you without showing you too much of the mess around here. New cabinets, we put those in. And then there's some personal stuff on the countertop, so I won't show you that, but look at that. And then we got our old microwave toaster that we were using. Bye-bye. So redid the floors last year during the winter time, and those look so much better than what they were. But yeah, guys, if you want to redo your house, it is possible. It's just going to take some time. It's going to take probably twice or three times as long as you think, but it's definitely doable. And I first showed you how bad those cabinets looked, to kind of give you a thought on what this would look like. But basically, they went straight across this way and then stopped, and then like a top shelf, and it just had stuff on the top with some of the drawers would move and some wouldn't, but looks so much better. Any family and friends watching, thanks for your help again. Merry Christmas. And yeah, get home renovating. It looks sweet. See ya.